Hi there, I am Anna Pollard, art and technology instructor at My Fun Science. So today I'd like to talk to you about the various types of erasers for art when you're out shopping to get your art supplies, so you know what you might want to try. Each of these have unique properties and are best suited for different drawing media and techniques. So understanding the characteristics of different erasers will help you choose the right tool for the job and achieve the desired results. So a plastic art eraser like you see here is made of vinyl or a similar polymer and is designed to remove pencil, charcoal, or other drawing marks cleanly from paper or other surfaces. It's particularly effective for erasing graphite, which is common in pencils, as well as other media like charcoal and chalk. A kneaded eraser, which is one of my favorites, is a type of eraser used in art for precise erasing, cleaning edges, and creating highlights. It's pliable, kind of like putty, and can be molded into different shapes for fine detail work and correcting mistakes without leaving residue. It's really great for soft pastels, oil pastels, charcoal, graphite, and colored pencils. So it comes in a square, and then as you use it, it ends up in different shapes. You can stretch it and knead it like dough. So when it gets dirty, you just stretch it until you get to a clean spot. You can also mold it into tiny shapes. So if you want to get in a tiny shape, you can put it maybe in a point to erase. So unlike the rigid erasers, kneaded erasers can be shaped to fit your needs. So if you need to tackle a tiny speck of graphite, this might be what you want to use. Now, I do store mine in a plastic bag because they will dry out if you leave them out and get really hard. And then you really got to knead it a lot to get it back to where it's supposed to be. So I find that just trying to keep the air off of it works nicely for storage. Okay. They last a long time too, by the way, because they don't like create eraser dust. The Prismacolor Magic Rub Art Eraser quickly and cleanly erases delicate surfaces without smudging or marring your work. It's designed to work really well with graphite, and India ink is perfect eraser for that. They have sharp corners also to help you clean up details. An art gum eraser is a type of eraser that's soft and slightly gummy. It's made from a soft, coarse rubber that absorbs graphite, and it does crumble as it erases. Gum erasers are gentle on paper and are particularly useful for cleaning up drawings in easy graphite without damaging the paper, especially for thinner papers like vellum or newsprint. Vellum is kind of like a real thick tracing paper. The Tombow Mono is a pencil. It looks like a pencil, and at the very tip, it has a tiny eraser, very tiny. So this pen style eraser is designed for fine detail work and precision erasing, and you can buy refills for it. So that's quite interesting little eraser. You can also get an electric eraser. So if you erase a lot and your hand gets tired, you could use this electric eraser. Runs with a battery. You turn it on and it vibrates on the end. And you can get refills for this as well, battery powered. The black plastic eraser is a high quality eraser, effective for erasing with minimal crumbling. It's specifically designed for erasing pencil marks on paper, vellum, and matte drafting film, and it won't leave black marks on the paper. Um, So that's about all I can tell you about that one. And here's another plastic eraser for pencil, paper, and translucent paper. Okay. And a rubber cement eraser. Rubber cement, if you've ever seen it, is like a paste. And it's liquidy kind of paste that comes in a jar with a brush. And you could use that if you're doing, like maybe you're creating a collage and you're putting pictures on a paper. And if some of that glue gets in spots where you don't want it and it dries kind of clumpy, you can use your rubber cement eraser and that will pick up and remove that adhesive residue from different types of surfaces like paper, plastic, leather, so on. Um, so rubber cement erasers are made of natural rubber and are effective at picking up any kind of sticky adhesive. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this short video all about erasers for your artwork. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more monthly lessons and updates. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.